All right, well, I think I found the problem. Look at that chain. There's all shiny little bits of metal all over the wheel. The chain is all scored. Either there's something wrong with the main sprocket that spins from the transmission. Just look at that. It's all shiny. The chain's getting eaten up. The slack is still good. Even the sprocket on the back is all chewed up. It's all scored. So I got to take that off. And I don't know. I got to see if there's something going on over there. Like maybe it lost a tooth or something. Something broke. Something's dragging. I don't know. Really don't know. It's not too tight. It's still loose. Like the slack is still set. Not that bad. So I don't know. Something's going on. All right, I'm gonna talk quietly. So here's my 1979 Suzuki GS750L. The chain is eating itself apart. It's all scorn. There's sparkles and metal shavings that are all over because it's just completely chewing itself apart. Completely wore down the rear sprocket. I'm pulling off this cover so I can see the front sprocket. And we're gonna take a look because this bike just never ceases to amaze me with the problems that it has. Just in case anybody else is doing this, soak the crap out of these screws in WD-40 and penetration fluid. And you might need a slide hammer screwdriver. Whatever you do, do not use a screwdriver that's a Phillips head that's not the right size and strip out the screws, because then you'll be completely screwed because there's no leverage in there to get a pair of vice grips or something on them. So soak the crap out of them in penetrating fluid, and when you put them back in, use a little bit of anti-seize. And if they don't come out, you're going to need to buy a slide hammer, not a slide hammer, an impact hammer, you know, one that you can put in and then you hit the back of it with the hammer to break the heads free. So yeah. All right, well, I figured it out. Sprocket looks okay, rear sprocket looks okay, but there's a link on the chain somewhere, I don't remember where, and it's completely frozen. It's not even moving. So that's why. It's whacking a chain link that's not moving. And what was happening is it hit the sprocket and just starts whacking it, so it's wearing down the sprocket. So I need another chain. So yeah, that's what I need. All right, time to put the chain back on. Unfortunately, I did not have time to do a how-to video. So I would have loved to do a how-to video on how to do the chain on this, but I don't have time. I have the new chain soaking in oil. Gear oil. That's the old chain. I'm gonna put the new chain on, and I'm actually gonna throw the old chain in the gear oil to see if it'll free up over time. I mean, it's destroyed. I'm just doing it out of curiosity anyway. I'm not gonna use it, but still. So let's go ahead and do that. Said it was 96 links, which is what the OEM one is. Except, you see the problem? I'm at the max point on the adjustment, and yeah, that's not supposed to have that much slack. Yeah, fuck you, Amazon. See, how can you advertise that? It's a straight up lie. I should have lined it up next to this one. Now I gotta untake the connector link off, line it up next to this one, looking and go, hey, look, that one's 10 times longer. Oh, I'm stupid. And what I'm gonna end up doing is probably cutting it and putting an extra link in there to cut. I don't fucking know, whatever. All right, let me just do that. Let me just waste more time out of non-ignorance of my own, but actually doing the right thing and making sure I got everything I was supposed to get. Thanks. I love it when things happen like that aren't just learning experiences, other than just don't buy parts that lie and say that they're the parts that they're supposed to be. So now I have to compensate for things that lie. Great. All right, let me explain to you how bullshit this all is. Barely, and I'm talking, I breathed on it, barely tightening down the clutch cable, the threads snapped inside the casing. Barely tightening it down. Barely. Are you fucking joking? I can't make this shit up, man. I cannot.